Hey Pretty Birdies! Our Bird's Nest Blurring Beauty Mousse comes in 8 different shades and is perfect for buildable lightweight coverage. This mousse moisturizes, primes, and evens skin tone by blurring imperfections. You can use this alone or underneath your favorite foundation to give your skin a blurred, hydrated look. This blendable formula also helps in decreasing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. It's infused with antioxidant-rich plant extracts, which provide both anti-aging and anti-inflammatory benefits. A fun tip that you can use our Blurring Beauty Mousse for is to turn any powder product into a cream. Add a small pump of Blurring Beauty Mousse to the back of your hand or a palette and add in your favorite powder product. This goes for our blushes, highlighters, and bronzers. This is perfect for a dewy editorial look.